Hi everyone! In this PowerPoint, we will be discussing extending approval for IRB submissions on eIRB 2. Non-human subjects research applications and exempt and expedited applications where the IRB determines no progress report is required will be assigned a 3-year expiration date. To confirm the expiration date and whether your study may be eligible for the extend approval option, please consult your initial approval/acknowledgement letter. If the board has determined that no progress report is required, you are eligible to run the administrative extend approval function. Below is what the IRB review will include in the acknowledgement letter. "30 days prior to the expiration date, an eIRB email reminder notification will be sent to the PI with instructions to extend approval for their study." Below is an example of what the reminder notification may look like. To extend the research, the PI will be asked to complete a simple extend approval activity in eIRB. If the PI does not request an extension, the research will automatically terminate within 30 days after the expiration date. Within your application workspace, on the left-hand side of the page under Current Activities, you can click on the Extend Approval button. Once you click on the Extend Approval button, a pop-up will occur. Once you click Extend Approval from the previous page, a similar pop-up will occur like this. Make sure to select OK to extend your study for another 3 years.